A World Heritage Site is a landmark or area recognized by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization for its cultural, historical, scientific or natural importance. These sites are protected by international treaties and are preserved for future generations to study and enjoy. To be selected as a World Heritage Site, a location must meet at least one of the 10 criteria set by UNESCO. These criteria range from being a masterpiece of human creative genius to being an outstanding example of natural beauty or representing significant stages in Earth's history. Cultural World Heritage Sites represent human achievements throughout history. Some iconic examples include the Pyramids of Giza in Egypt, built as tombs for the ancient pharaohs over 4,500 years ago. Number 2, the Great Wall of China, an ancient defensive structure that stretches over 13,000 miles. Number 3, Machu Picchu in Peru, a remarkable Incan city perched high in the Andes Mountains. Natural World Heritage Sites are recognized for their incredible natural beauty or geological significance. Notable examples include number 1, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, the world's largest coral reef system, home to thousands of marine species. Number 2, Yellowstone National Park in the USA, known for its geothermal features and diverse ecosystems. Number 3, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, the highest mountain in Africa, renowned for its glaciers and unique wildlife. Some sites are classified as mixed because they meet both cultural and natural criteria. For example, number 1, Taj Mahal in India, a stunning symbol of love and cultural masterpiece surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens and river views. Number 2, Serengeti National Park in Tanzania, famous for its annual migration of over 1.5 million wild beasts and zebras, as well as its significance in human prehistory. These sites are important because they preserve our history, culture, and the natural world. They tell the story of humanity's past, our present, and provide insights into our future. Preservation ensures that these incredible places are protected for future generations. In conclusion, with over 1,000 World Heritage Sites across the globe, each offers something unique, whether it is an ancient monument, a vibrant ecosystem, or a breathtaking landscape. These sites connect us with our shared history and remind us of the beauty and diversity of our world.